Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve 3 by 3 blindfolded. Normally, if we think that 3 by 3 we need to memorize 54 colors because 9 pieces each side. So, we do not have to remember or memorize 54 numbers, but we have to memorize only uh, 20 pieces. So there are 12 pieces of edges and 8 pieces of corners. So we have to memorize only 20 pieces because if you look at this, two colors have only one piece. This three color has only one piece. So corner is only one piece and it has got three colors, and ages, they've got two colors and the piece is one only. So we have to memorize only 12 edges and 8 corners. So total 20 pieces we need to memorize, or 20 letters we need to memorize. So what we'll do is we'll first, it's different from how we solve 3 by 3, like beginners method, CFOP and all. Here we'll first solve the edges and then we solve the corners. So first we'll solve all edges and then we'll solve all corners. So there are three different algorithms. uh, in fact, solve the cube in speed, or if you want to use another algorithm, I'll show you. But normally we use TPUM that normally swap these two edges, and at the same time whenever we swap these two edges, these two corners will also be swapped. So I'll just show you. It is R U R prime U prime R prime F 2R U prime R prime U prime R U R prime and F prime. So now you can see these two edges are swept. At the same time these two corners are also swept. So this is one algorithm. There is another, this is TPUM algorithm. Now I'll show you one more algorithm which will work the similar way. That is cuboid algorithm to swap these two corners. So that is 2R U, 2R UI, 2R UI D, 2R UI, 2R U, 2R and DI. So now we can see this, both the edges are swept and corners are also into its correct position. So these two algorithm you can use whichever you want. There is one more algorithm, in fact two algorithms, that will swap this two and this two. So this is JPUM and this is LPUM. So first I'll show you JPUM to swap these two edges. So that is R to U, R prime U prime, again R to U, L prime U, R prime U prime and L. So now we can see these two edges are swept and these two corners are swept. Again we'll use the same algorithm and it will be into its correct position. So R to U, R prime U prime, again R to U, L prime U, R prime U prime and L. So now it is into its correct position. Similarly, there is L prime, sorry, L palm. So that will swap these two edges. and it will also swap these two corners. So we need to swap these two edges, and the algorithm is r prime 2u r u, again r prime 2u l u prime r u and l prime. So now we can see these two edges are swept, and at the same time these two corners are also swept. So again we'll use the same algorithm, r prime 2u r u, again r prime 2u l u prime r u and l prime. So now it is into its correct position. So these are the uh, algorithms to swap these edges. Now I'll show you how to swap corners. So we'll swap these two corner, I mean top, uh, back and front, right, down. This corner and this corner will swap. So I'll show you the algorithm, that is r u prime r prime u prime r u r prime f prime r u r prime u prime r prime f and r. So now we can see these two corners are swept, and at the same time these two edges are also swept. And again we'll use the same algorithm, and these two corners will again fix into its original position. So r u prime r prime u prime r u r prime f prime r u r prime u prime r prime f r. So now we can see it is into its correct position. So these are the uh, algorithms for edges and corners. Now there is one algorithm for parity. So normally whenever I'll show you when you have to use parity algorithm. Parity algorithm we have to use when we get odd numbers to memorize for edges and corners. So that is r u prime r prime u prime r u r d r prime u prime r d prime, sorry, d prime r prime u2 r prime u prime. So what that will do is that will shift this three edges. So now we can see these two have swept, and these two have swept. So instead of these two have swept, and these two corners are swept. So again we'll use the same algorithm, and it will be into its correct position. So it is r u prime r prime u prime r u r d r prime u prime r d prime r prime u2 r prime and u prime. So now we can see it is into its correct position. So these are the uh, algorithms which we need to memorize. So this is I am showing you on this paper. These are the boxes A, B, C, D, E, F, and these are the numbers. I mean members of the box, that is A, B, C, D, E, F. So all members are into its own house. Now what we'll do is, now we'll scramble it. So randomly will scramble it so that uh, now you can, this is scrambled and they are into different houses. Now we have to place them into their correct house. So whenever we, this is our buffer place, your buffer house, wherein we will swap any of the member with using this buffer place. So let's say D is uh, should be placed here, so we have to swap this two. So whenever we swap, we have to swap both of this. So we will swap this, so D will come into its original position and B will come here. We should not directly swap any of the pieces like this. So we have to use buffer location whenever we want to swap any member. So now we have swapped this. B should be here, so we should swap this too. So now B is into its correct position. Now F is here, so we have to use F and we have to swap this too, C and F. So C will come here and F will come here. Now C is here, so C will come here in place of this and it will be swapped. So now last is E. So E will come into its original position and it will be swapped with the A. So now we can see all the members are into its correct position. So we have used this buffer location to swap the members. Now I'll show you one case wherein you will have a correct member in buffer place, but still you need to swap any of the members. So now we'll again start the same procedure. So D will be uh, placed, it will be swapped with this. So D is into its correct position. B we have to swap with this E. So E is into buffer location. Now we have to swap E with this. So now we can see A is into its correct position and E is also into its correct position, but this two is yet to get its own place. So these two are yet to swap. So again what we'll do is we'll start a new cycle with any of the unsolved members. So we'll start with, let's say, F. So F will come with, it will be swapped with A. So F will come into its original position and it will be swapped with C. So C is come into buffer place and now again we'll swap with A. So now we can see the members are into its correct house. So this is the same thing which we'll use in this. So this is our buffer location. This will be our buffer location. So whenever we want to place any of the pieces, edge pieces, we will use this as buffer location for edges. For corners, we will use this as buffer location. So these two are edges. For edges, this is our buffer location, and for corners, this is our buffer location. So I'll just show you one case. One important thing, whenever you use edge swapping algorithm through buffer position, you need to ensure that uh, while doing any setup move, you should not disturb these two corners. Otherwise, the whole cube will be disturbed. And similarly, whenever you solve the corners and using this as buffer position, you should not disturb these two edges while doing any setup move. So if this, this corner, you need to bring this here So by any case you should not bring this up, or you should not disturb these two edges, otherwise the cube will not be solved. So we need to remember this thing while doing edge swapping algorithm. You should not disturb these two corners, and while doing corner swapping algorithm you should not disturb these two edges. Okay, so we have to uh, place this piece into this position. So what we will do is, we will have to, this is red and green, so red and green will come here. So we have to place, and always we have to remember this color. So we have to remember red. So red, where will red will come, red will come here. So we have to bring this piece over here, so this two will swap. So what we'll have to do is, we'll have to use setup move. So first we'll have to bring this up. Now we'll have to swap this two, and like this I'll just show you. R U R prime U prime R prime F 2U 2R UI R prime U prime R U R prime and F prime. So now we can see this is placed correctly, and now we have to undo the setup move. So this is placed correctly. Now we have yellow and green. So yellow and green piece will come here. So this is yellow side. So we have to remember this is yellow. So we have to bring yellow side. So this side will come here. So we have to do a setup move, and this two will be swapped again. So R U R prime U prime R prime F 2R U R prime U R U R prime and F prime. And now we have to do undo the setup move. So now we can see it is placed. So we will have to place all the edges like this. Similarly, I'll show you how to place the corners. Okay, so to memorize the pieces, I normally use alphabet. So and I keep red side in front of me and white on top, and will use A, B, C, D. It will be in clockwise. So A, B, C, D. Then from left, E, F, G, H. Then right, I, J, K, L. So I, J, K, L. Then right, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Then down, U, V, W, X. So sorry, the red side. So we have to always remember, because this will be our U. So again I'll show you: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, then U, V, W, X. So we'll use in the same format, and for corners we'll use the same alphabet. So this will be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. So this will be our uh, alphabet we need to remember. So this piece belongs to A, this is B, and not this piece, I mean this color. This piece has two colors, so it is A and Q. This is B and M. This is C and I. This is D and E. So we need to remember only one alphabet at a time. So if we have to place this piece in this format only and we need to swap this, so this is only C we need to remember. But if we want to, and if this is flipped and red side is up and white side is down, so we need to remember I. So now I'll first demonstrate how to solve this using alphabet. So now it is scrambled. So first we'll uh, face the right, I mean red in front and white on top, and now we'll see this is our buffer position for ages. So this is orange, but we need to remember as alphabet. So this is white and orange, so white and orange is here, so orange piece will come here, and this is Q, so we have to remember Q. So this uh, piece, I mean this orange will come here, so this is Q. Now this is this both will swap, so this will come here in buffer position, this green piece will be on top. So we have to now see this green and orange, so green and orange, so green piece we need to remember. So green will come here, green and orange, but this is green, this piece, this green will come here and orange will come here, so this is the place. So we need to remember this. So this is E, F, G, H, so H, so this is Q, Q will come here at the place of H, I mean this H will come into buffer position then, and this is white and blue, so white is I mean this is into the original position. So the first cycle will be completed because this is white and blue, and white and blue will come here. So our first cycle will be over. Now we have to start a new cycle. So we'll start with D. So this we will swap. So D will come here, this, so this is green and red, so green and red will come here, so this is the position. So this green will come here, so that is E, F, so we need to remember F. So D, F, this will come yellow and blue, so yellow we need to remember yellow, blue, so yellow blue will come here, so this is V, U, V, so this is V. So we need to now this place this orange and blue, so this will come here, so that is T, so Q, R, S, T, so T, then T will come in place of this because this is its original position, so this is P. P is red and yellow, so it will come here, so I, J, K, so K, so P, K, now this will come here, so W, because this will come here, so this is W, and this will place here, so this will place here, so this is the yellow position, this will place here, so it will be X, and this will come here, so this white will place here, so this is D. So our all ages will be solved. So this is I mean letters we need to remember to solve the ages. Similarly, now you can now you must be knowing that we have written all the number, I mean alphabets, so it is odd numbers. So after solving ages we need to do parity algorithm, and then only we need to cover, I mean we need to solve all corners. So before solving corners, we need to use parity algorithm, because we have to memorize odd numbers, odd alphabets. So whenever there is odd alphabets, we need to remember. And one more thing, uh, I mean if we have to remember all alphabets of ages in odd numbers, the corners alphabet also will be in odd numbers only, it won't be in even numbers. So either both ages alphabets and corners alphabets are even numbers, or all will be in odd numbers. So now we'll see corners alphabet also will come into odd numbers. So this is blue and red and white. So blue, red and white will come here, but this is the blue color. So this is M. So M will come here. This is T, this place. So Q R S T. So T. And now this will come over here, U. So this is yellow. Yellow will come here. So U V W X. So U. And this will come here. This blue, red and yellow will come here. So this is P. And now this will come here. This will come this place. This orange will come here. So this is S, Q R S T. So this is S. Okay. Now we have completed the all places, because now once we place this is orange, green and white. So orange, green and white will come here. So this is the original position of orange, white and green. So our cycle will be over for this corner. So now we have to start a new cycle, and now we need to find which all corners we have not covered yet. So we have not covered this corner and we have not covered this corner. So first I'll show you, we have covered this corner M, then this corner, then this corner, then we have used this corner. So 1 2 3 4, and we have used this corner also. So 5. So we have not used these two corners, and this is also solved. So we have to use this corner, we have to solve this corner. So this is into its correct position, but it is rotated. Similarly, this is also into its correct position, but it is rotated. So what we'll have to do is, we'll have to use, this is will replace with D. So A, B, C and D, and this green will come here. So it is E, F. So D and F. So we'll use D, F, and it will be solved. Similarly here we'll use B. This is B, and B will come here. So N. So this will be solved. So because MN, so blue will be in this position. So the entire cube will solve. But now we can see corners alphabet also are into odd numbers. So this has a parity case. So after solving ages, we need to use parity algorithm, and then only we need to solve the corners. So now we have to remember these letters, that is Q, H, D, F, V, T, P, K, W, X and D for ages. And if you notice, the letters are in odd numbers. So we'll have to, and corners also have odd numbers. So we'll have to use parity algorithm after solving ages and before solving corners. So how to remember this, how you will do it blindfolded. So you will have to memorize all these letters to solve the cube blindfolded. So first we'll uh, memorize the ages letter, so that is QH. So maybe you can make some story also to memorize these letters. So let's say QH means Queen's House, DF means deal form, VT Victoria Terminus, PK Parkland or Park, or anything you think PK will match, WX, so wax, and D. So maybe you can make some story also using these letters, so that you can memorize these letters. Similarly, for corners, you have to memorize, that is empty. You can memorize as mount, UP up, SD, SD sound or should, and then FB, Facebook, and N. So maybe you can make some story out of these letters to memorize these letters. So this is how we have to memorize these letters. So total, if you look at, there are about 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 10, and 11 letters of ages, and 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9. So total 20 letters we have to memorize to solve the cube. And I mean, you can make some stories, you can memorize, I mean, by words. So this is the only 20 letters which will solve your cube. So let's start with solving ages. So this is orange and white. So as we said, it is Q. So Q is here. This is Q. So we can use TPUM also, and we can use LPUM also. Sorry, JPUM also. So this, what we will do is we'll bring this middle layer R prime, middle R prime, and now we'll swap this too. So this orange side will come here, and we need to ensure that this orange should come into its original position, because it should match with this center. So this white and orange will come here and it will be solved. So white will come here and orange will come here, and this two will swap. So this is, we need to swap this. So this is JPUM. So R to U, R prime, U prime, R to U, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, and L. And now we have to undo the setup move. So we need to remember, every time we need to undo the setup move. So our Q is solved. Now next is H. So this is green and orange. So this is green. So green and orange piece will come here, and this is the green side. So E, F, G, H. So this is the place we need to bring on top, in front. So we need to swap this too. So this white piece will come here. So we need to bring this up. This is our setup move. So this two will swap. So R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, 2R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, and F prime. So now we have to undo the setup move. So down and back. So now we can see this H, this H piece is also solved. Now you can see this is placed. So our first cycle is done. Now as we said, we have to replace with this. So this is, we need to replace with D. So D we have to replace with this piece. So R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, 2R, U prime, R prime, U, R prime, and F prime. So now you can see this both are swept. Now new cycle has already started. So this green will come here, green and red. So green will come here. So EF. So this is our F. So D then F. So this we need to bring this up. So back and top. So now this both will swap. So R U R prime U prime R prime F 2 R U prime R prime U prime R U R and F prime. And now we have to undo the setup move. So this is our F. So now we have to bring this back and this is solved. Okay, so now next is this is uh, V. So U and V, this is the yellow side and blue. So yellow and blue will place here. So simply we have to bring this, rotate this and bring it on top. So this piece will place here and this two will swap. So R U R prime U prime R prime F 2 R U prime R prime U prime R U R prime F prime. And now we have to undo the setup move. So down and back. So now we can see this is also placed. Now next is orange and blue. So orange and blue will come here. So that is our T. So this is our orange side. So T Q R S T. So this will, we will have to bring this up. So top. So every time we need to do a setup move and replace the pieces, and then we have to undo the setup move. So R U R prime U prime R prime F 2 R U prime R prime U prime R U R prime F prime. And now we have to undo the setup move. So back, and now we can see this is placed. Now next is this is uh, P. So this piece will come here. So this is blue piece. So this is P. So we need to bring this up to swap this two. So this two will swap. So R U R prime U prime R prime F, sorry, F 2 R U prime R prime U prime R U R prime F prime. And now we have to bring this down and back. So this is also placed. Now next is red and yellow. So where is red? Red is I J K. So this is K. So this piece we need to bring up. So what we'll do is we'll do R, middle R. So now we'll swap this to. So R 2U R prime U prime R 2U L prime R prime U prime and L. So now we have to undo the setup move. So this is also placed. So now next is orange and yellow. This is yellow and this is orange. So we need to remember yellow. So this is W, U, V, W. So we need to bring this piece on top. So we'll do 2R. So now we have to flip this two. So sorry, this two. Just a minute. I made any mistake. Okay, sorry. So this is W that we need to fix here. So up like this. So now we have to swap this two. So R to U, R prime U prime, R to U, L prime U, R prime U prime, and L. And now undo the setup move 1 and 2. So this is also placed. Now next is yellow and green. So this yellow will come here, that is X. So simply we'll have to bring it up. So this is our setup move, this both will swap. So R U, R prime U prime, R prime, F 2R U prime, R prime, U prime, R U, R prime, and F prime. And now bring this back, undo the setup move. Okay, so now last two pieces and it will be, all edges will be solved. So this is X, and then now we have to D. So this two will swap. So R U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F 2R, R prime, sorry, U prime, R prime, U prime, R U, R prime, U prime, and F prime. So now we can see these two are placed. So our edges are placed. Now we have to use parity algorithm because we got odd numbers to remember or odd letters to memorize. So what it will do is it will swap this two and it will swap these two. So these two pieces, these two edge pieces, and these two corner pieces it will swap. So it is R U prime, R prime, U prime, R U, R D, R prime, U prime, R D prime, R prime, 2U, R prime, and U prime. So now we can see these two are swapped and these two are swapped. Now we have to solve the corners. So we'll start with, this is our buffer position. So this we need to place into its correct position. So this is blue, red and white. So blue will come here. So this is our M. So M N O P. So this is M. So we need to remember the letter alphabet. So M. So we need to first place this into this position. So M, this is R prime. This is our setup move. So R prime. Now we have to use the corner swapping algorithm, that is R U prime, R prime, U prime, R U, R prime, F prime, R U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F and R. So and now we have to undo the setup move. So this is R. So now we can see it is placed. Now next corner is orange, blue and yellow. So orange we have to remember. Orange, blue and yellow will place, this is our T. So orange is here. So we'll have to first do a setup move. So this place, this is our orange side of this piece. So again we'll use this algorithm to swap these two. So R U prime, R prime, U prime, R U, R prime, F prime, R U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F and R. And now we have to undo the setup move. So D. So this is placed. Now next is yellow, red and green. So this is our yellow, red and green. So it will come here because this is yellow side and this is called U. U V W X. So this is, we need to remember U. So U will, we have to, and we have to remember that this side should not disturb. So this should not be disturbed, and while doing edge swapping, this two should not be disturbed at any cost. So we need to do a setup move. Whenever we do setup move, we have to ensure that while fixing the edges, these two corners should not be disturbed, and while doing the corner swap or corner fixing the corners, these two edges should not be disturbed. So now this is our yellow, red and green. So this is our side. So what we'll have to do is, we'll, without disturbing these three pieces, 1 2 3, what we'll do is, we have to bring this simply, this is F prime. So this is the place. I'll just show you. So this will come here like this. So this yellow will place here. So R U prime, R prime, U prime, R U, R prime, F prime, R U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R. And now we have to undo the setup move. So this is placed. Okay, so now we have placed U. Now this is blue, red and yellow. So this corner will come here. This is the corner, but since this is blue, so this is blue this side, and this is P. So M N O P. So we need to remember P. So this will swap. So R U, R prime, U prime, R U, R prime, F prime, R U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R. So this is placed. Now next is, so P is done. Now next is orange, green and yellow. So orange, green and yellow will come here. So this is our Q, R, S. So this is our S. So we need to bring this piece into this position. So it was here back side. So D prime and R. We need to undo the setup move once we are done with the algorithm. So R U, R prime, U prime, R U, R prime, F prime, R U, R prime, U prime, R prime, U and R. And now we have to undo the setup move. So R prime and D. So now we can see this is also placed. Now we are left with these two corners as we discussed earlier. So we'll have to start with D. So this piece will place here. So first F and R prime. So this is the position this orange will place here. So first we'll swap this two. So R U prime, R prime, U prime, R U, R prime, F prime, R U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R. And now we have to do this, undo the setup move. So this is placed. Now we have to place this green. So D and F. So this is the place we need to put this. So this we need to do it F2. So F1 and F2. So this is the place where we need to place this corner. So it will be correctly positioned. So R U, R prime, U prime, R U R prime, F prime, R U R prime, U prime, R prime, F R. And now undo the setup move to F. So this is placed. Now B. So what we have to do is we have to bring this down. So R and then D prime. So we need to always remember that this piece we need to place. So first we need to use B. So this needs to be here. This blue should be here. So it is R and D prime. So this blue is placed. So now use this corner swapping algorithm, that is R U prime, R prime, U prime, R U R prime, F prime, R U R prime, U prime, R prime, F and R. Okay, so now we have to undo the setup move, because what we did is we moved here and then moved here. So now move back and bring it on top. So now this is white, blue and orange. So now blue is on top. So blue is N, MN. So this should be here, white should be, so 2R. So now this will be placed properly. Both the pieces will be placed properly and our cube will be solved. So R U prime, R prime, U prime, R U R prime, F prime, R U R prime, U prime, R prime, F and R. And now we have to undo the setup move. So now we can see our cube is solved. So it is very easy. But if you have any query, you can message me. Thank you very much.